Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate web of life that surrounds us. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to share with you a tale of rescue and conservation that will touch your heart. In the scorching deserts of Somaliland, a region often plagued by the dark shadows of the illegal wildlife trade, a remarkable story of bravery and dedication has unfolded. The Cheetah Conservation Fund, in collaboration with local authorities, has successfully rescued 2 cheetah cubs from the clutches of traffickers, saving them from a fate worse than death, a life of captivity and exploitation. As we speak, these 2 precious cubs are receiving care and nourishment at the Cheetah Rescue and Conservation Center, where they will join over 120 other rescued cheetahs. It's a testament to the tireless efforts of conservationists like Lori Marker, who founded the Cheetah Conservation Fund and has dedicated her life to protecting these majestic creatures. The numbers are stark. Fewer than 7,000 cheetahs remain in the wild, and the black market trade continues to threaten their very existence. But amidst this darkness, there is hope. The rescue of these 2 cubs is a beacon of light, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, human compassion and determination can make a difference. As we pause to reflect on this story, let us remember the delicate balance of our ecosystem and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The cheetah, an apex predator, plays a vital role in maintaining the harmony of its habitat, and its loss would have far-reaching consequences. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world and its many intersections with human society, I'd like to shift our focus to a topic that might seem quite distant from the trails and wildlife we often discuss, but is, in fact, closely intertwined with the health of our planet and its inhabitants. Today, we're going to explore the current trends in dietary preferences, specifically the surge in protein consumption, and what this means for both human health and the environment. The quest for more protein has become a significant factor in many people's diets, driven by perceptions of its benefits for bodybuilding, overall health, and energy levels. This trend is not only reflected in gym culture, but also in everyday food choices, from protein-enhanced breakfast cereals to high-protein meal replacement bars. But how much protein do we really need, and are there costs associated with this increased demand that go beyond our individual health? Recent dietary guidelines have suggested increasing the daily intake of protein, which for many might seem like a straightforward recommendation. However, health experts caution that excessive protein consumption can lead to unintended consequences, such as stressing the kidneys, causing dehydration, and contributing to other health issues. Moreover, the source of this protein is critical. While animal-based proteins like red meat can provide all essential amino acids, they are also associated with higher risks of heart disease and certain cancers when consumed in excess. On the other hand, plant-based proteins, found in legumes, nuts, whole grains, and fish, offer not only a healthier alternative, but also one that is more environmentally sustainable. These foods tend to have lower carbon footprints compared to animal agriculture, which is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. The fiber content in many plant-based proteins is an added bonus, given that most Americans do not meet their daily fiber intake recommendations, leading to a range of digestive and other health problems. As we navigate the complex landscape of dietary choices and their implications, it's clear that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. However, by leaning towards more plant-based and seafood-derived proteins, individuals can make a positive impact on both their personal health and the planet's well-being. This shift in dietary culture is not just about personal choice, but also about influencing demand and, consequently, agricultural practices and food production. The protein craze, like many dietary trends before it, underscores the dynamic relationship between human preferences, health outcomes, and environmental sustainability. As consumers become more aware of these interconnected issues, there's potential for a significant shift towards diets that are not only healthier for individuals, but also more sustainable for the planet. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take a brief detour into the realm of technology and how it intersects with our daily lives and the environment. Recently, Apple released the AirPods Max 2, an update to their high-end headphones that promises improved noise cancellation, sound quality, and features like personalized volume and live translation. While this might seem far removed from the forests, oceans, and wildlife we usually discuss, it's a reminder of how technology can both enhance and complicate our relationship with nature. On one hand, advancements in audio technology can help us better appreciate and connect with the sounds of nature, a bird's song, the rustle of leaves, or the roar of a waterfall. On the other hand, the production, disposal, and energy consumption associated with these devices contribute to environmental challenges such as pollution, waste management, and climate change. The AirPods Max 2, with their improved sound signature and adaptive audio features, could potentially allow listeners to immerse themselves more deeply in nature documentaries or podcasts about conservation. However, the lack of significant design changes, including no official water or dust resistance rating and a non-folding structure, might limit their appeal for outdoor enthusiasts who value durability and portability. Furthermore, the introduction of lossless audio support, albeit limited to wired connections, highlights the ongoing quest for quality in digital experiences. Yet, it also underscores the tension between technological advancement and environmental sustainability. The demand for higher quality, more complex devices can lead to increased energy consumption and electronic waste, issues that are becoming increasingly critical as the world grapples with reducing its carbon footprint. As we navigate the balance between embracing technology and preserving our natural world, it's essential to consider the broader implications of our choices. Whether it's the materials used in device manufacturing, the energy sources powering our homes and gadgets, or the way we dispose of our technological waste, each decision has a ripple effect on the health of our planet. So, as you listen to the sounds of nature, whether through advanced headphones like the AirPods Max 2 or simply by stepping outside, remember the interconnectedness of our technological and natural worlds. By being mindful of how we use technology and advocating for sustainable practices and innovation, we can work towards a future where progress and preservation go hand in hand. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.